Hi friends. In this video I will show you how to get the URL for pictures. It's very simple, let's start. Open the Google image search page. Enter an image search query. Type a word or phrase into the text box in the middle of the page. Click the search. It's to the right of the text box. Doing so will search Google for images related to your search. Find your image, scroll through the results until you find one which matches your needs. Open the image. Copy the image's URL. Right-click the image, then click on the copy link address. Now image's URL copied, you can post picture on website, blog, forum, or even download it to other computer. Okay, I hope you are understand, so if you like this video please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon button. Thanks for watching.